So iMethod Beauty just sent me this eyebrow stamp thing.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try it out. So this is what it all comes with. It comes with like the actual stamp, the eyebrow stamp. It's like you just twist it, and it's that, and then it has that. It's like doot doot doot, and you stamp it. But it also comes with a bunch of these little. It's like the stencils, I guess you could say. So I'm gonna try to find the right one for my eyebrow, and we're gonna go from there. I'm thinking it might be this one. I don't know. We're gonna go with it. I think it's probably gonna. I think that'd be my best bet. First, I'm just gonna brush these out with this little spoolie, and it comes with 2 of these. Also, the little package thing, and it's like just a little thing like this. I'm gonna read this note in a second. Y'all are gonna like it. So I'm just gonna. Oh man, what? How'd that happen? Oh well. I'm just gonna dab. Stick this little eyebrow thing. Oh. Okay. Let's stick the little stencil right here. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I've always had trouble with doing my eyebrows, so we're gonna try it out. Oh gosh, I'm nervous. It just says you just dab it. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, that does not look bad, and I guess that you just brush it through. I like it. Does it not? Oh my gosh. I'll fix my face in a second. I love that. Let me do the other side. So I think I have it in the right spot. Okay, and do dab. Oh gosh, I'm gonna put too much on this one. Okay, I definitely feel like I put a little bit too much, but I'm gonna use the spoily, whatever you would call it, to just brush them out a little bit. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I highly recommend starting at the end and then dabbing it and then go into this part of it. But I'm in love. I'm never gonna have to like pencil out my eyebrows no more. No. Like I said, they come with a bunch of different stencils, so you can figure out which one's your best fit. I'm gonna put their Instagram link in my bio and their TikTok. They also have YouTube. But this is what they're. If you're not completely satisfied with their products or anything, all you gotta do is email them or DM them on Instagram or message them on Facebook, and they won't even ask you any questions. They'll send you a full refund. No questions asked. States right here. No return necessary. You do not have to return it back, but it's worth a try, I think. All of their products are either $20 or less. These are like $12, so hit them up.